Lotus. I don't even have to pull together. So I just have to. Well, because I want to make sure the photos are identified right when I put